Many are requesting, like, if I want a blog to be hosted by me, do I need some developers or some website developers or website development companies to get me into a blogging kind of a website? No, definitely not. Blogging is so simple at these times. Like, there is a new features available in Blogger. It's so simple, and whoever is a computer savvy person, just who can just send emails or use basic operations of a computer, if they know something about it, definitely it's much easier than you think. So there is a website called blogger.com. You can go as blogspot.com also. So there are several ways to do this. So just go to blogger.com, sign up with your Gmail ID. If you have a Gmail ID, sign up with the Gmail ID. Else, create a Gmail ID and sign up with the same. So creating a blog is so simple like that. Just go here, click on the new blog, enter the name what you need, some name, blog, my blog, or my name blog, something, whatever it is. And here let's take like it works blog sample, something like that, blog sample, something like that, and just choose it. If it's available, it will say it's available. Yeah, this blog is available for registration. Just, it's a free of cost, you don't need to pay anything. You can just choose something and just click on create blog. You will get a blog with this. It's so simple one. So go to post. Here you can create new post by clicking on the new post. This will open up a page where you can give some title, some description. It's just a basic one, basic text here. So if you know how to bold this text, yes, go here, bold it. Whatever you want to do, yes, you can. Add some images, yes, click on this insert image, upload it from a computer or some blog or whatever you have in your hands. Just make use of these sections. And after you save, just click on this publish. This will publish the blog. And if you want to go to view your blog, just click on this. You can view your blog. Okay, what if I don't want a name like this? I want something like myname.com. Yes, there are options available. Go to settings here, settings, and here you can see blog address. This will be default blogspot.com, but if you want to set up a third party URL, something like my name, um, wp dot something like this .com. Yeah, if you have it, just place it here. And if you don't have a host, just you can create something like this, a fallback message. It's easy. There are a lot of articles regarding this. Just click on this, new URL will be available, and you can go to the new URL. It's so simple to create a blog, edit some post, something like, if you want to add some labels, yes, click on the edit post, go to labels, add some Chennai games, play, something like this. Just comma separated, and this will be done. You can just, after inputting these keywords, you can just say done. Scheduling, if you want to automatically schedule the post, or if you want to set some date and time, some future dates and time, specific time to get this blog published, yes, you can do here. The permalink is nothing but the URL what you have here. If you click on some post, you will get a URL structure like this. This is a default one. Whatever if you want, you can create it. Something like this, just have something like blog post hyphen some blog name, something like that. Yes, everything is applicable. So you can make use of those. Whatever titles you need, yes, you can append it to it. And location, just if you want, you can add your location where you are writing from, and that doesn't need to be exact place. You can choose anything. And options. So do you want the reader comments, how to interpret it as a basic HTML? This is more than enough. You can just use the defaults here, and when you click on what should happen here, that's a small configuration, and it's done. Publish the post, you are done. Okay, so this is how you make use of blog platform. You don't need to have, you don't want to post, you can just click on delete it. This is so simple. You can have your own blog in few minutes. Just sign up for a Gmail, create a blog with an available name, something.blogspot.com, start writing your post, blog continuously. Happy blogging.